Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can add or how you can set your cover photo in Bluesky social app. Okay, so here you can see is the home page of Bluesky social app. So then you need to click here, the bottom right corner on your screen. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, then here you'll get your profile page. So simply click edit profile. Once you click edit profile, then here you'll get the option it's now editable, and you can see this one. So simply click on the camera icon, and camera, it means you can take picture right now. It's like a selfie or back camera. And if you click library, then you have to choose the picture from your gallery. So I'm just going to set from gallery, and then wait a second to type view. Then you can scale and rotate your picture, which picture you want to share. So I'm just giving this one, and then click the tick mark, top right corner. Once you click there, then your cover photo will be set here successfully. And once everything is done, then click here the save changes. So I'm just going to click save changes, and it takes few moments to upload. So wait a second, and you will see in live. So you can see your profile updated, and your profile picture or photo are successfully added. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.